The future of L&D e-learning software training trends. The emerging trends in e-learning software training, offering insights into the next wave of tools, methodologies, and best practices that will redefine L&D. Video-based learning. One of the most significant benefits is the use of screen recording, which allows learners to witness step-by-step processes in real time, making complex tasks more digestible and easier to replicate. Benefits of Instructor-Led. Direct interaction with an experienced instructor provides learners with the opportunity to ask real-time questions, clarifying doubts and misconceptions on the spot. Activity-based learning. Activity-based learning in the context of software training is a transformative approach that emphasizes hands-on experiences and active engagement, moving away from passive, lecture-centric models. Adopting nano and microlearning. By breaking down information into concise, targeted chunks, nano and microlearning modules offer learners digestible and focused content, perfect for grasping intricate software functionalities. Social and peer-to-peer learning. Leveraging the collective knowledge and diverse perspectives of a group, these approaches promote an environment of collaboration and mutual assistance. Crafted learning path. Personalized learning paths cater to individual needs and pace, accommodating diverse proficiency levels and learning styles. Adopting blended learning. In software training, adopting a blended learning approach offers a harmonious balance between traditional and digital methodologies, capitalizing on the strengths of each.